How to see the posts of a private Instagram account. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Syra, and today, we're tackling a question that many people have asked. How can you see the posts of a private Instagram account? If you're curious about how this works or want to know the proper steps, stay tuned, and I'll guide you through everything you need to know. Let's get started. First, let's talk about private Instagram accounts. When someone sets their Instagram account to private, only their approved followers can see their posts, stories, and highlights. This feature is designed to protect their privacy and ensure only selected people can view their content. It's crucial to understand that respecting someone's privacy is always the right approach. There are ethical ways to view private content, and I'll walk you through them. The most straightforward and ethical way to view the posts of a private Instagram account is by sending a follow request. Here's how. 1. Open the Instagram app on your device and log into your account. 2. Use the search bar at the top to find the private account you're interested in. 3. Once you find the account, tap the Follow button on their profile page. 4. Now, wait for the account owner to approve your request. If they accept, you'll gain access to all their posts, stories, and other shared content. It's that simple. The key is to be respectful and patient while waiting for their response. Now, you might have seen websites or apps claiming to let you view private Instagram accounts without permission. Let me warn you. These tools are often scams designed to steal your data or install harmful software on your device. Using such methods is unethical and violates Instagram's terms of service. Your account could be banned if you're caught attempting to bypass someone's privacy settings. Instead, stick to legitimate ways, like sending a follow request, to access private content. If sending a follow request isn't an option, here are a few ethical alternatives. 1. Mutual friends. If you have a friend who follows the account, you can ask them to show you the content, but only if they're comfortable doing so. 2. Check public content. Many users cross-post their Instagram content to other platforms like Facebook or Twitter. If their other accounts are public, you might be able to see similar posts there. 3. Engage with similar profiles. If you're interested in a specific type of content, explore hashtags or public accounts that share similar posts. And there you have it. The best way to view posts from a private Instagram account is by respecting their privacy and sending a follow request. Always remember, ethical behavior and respect for others online go a long way in creating a positive experience for everyone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tips and tricks. Have questions or suggestions for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.